My friends, I hope you are very good today. Today I am going to share you about Teachers' Day. Every year on September 5, India observes Teachers' Day to recognize and acknowledge the contribution that teachers have made to society and educational system. In addition, it provides a chance to honor Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a revered philosopher and educator, who presided over India from 1962 to 1967.
Celebrate
Teachers' Day. So, all the students to the class.
Baby, nothing's ever too far. Glitter in the sky, glitter in the eyes, shining just the...
Come on, turn the radio on. This Friday night and I won't be long. Got it in my hair with the makeup